Good morning. The Arrow 3-piece plier set is a must-have for everyday repairs and home maintenance. It includes 6-inch needle nose pliers for precision tasks, a 6-inch slip joint pliers for general gripping, and 8-inch groove joint pliers for larger plumbing and tightening jobs. Each tool is made from durable carbon steel and features comfortable non-slip handles for better control and safety. Whether you're fixing wiring, loosening fittings, or handling plumbing repairs, this set delivers dependable performance at a great value. It's a smart, affordable addition to any toolbox. Stay tuned and we'll show you what's inside the box. The Arrow 3-piece plier set includes 3 essential tools for everyday use. The 6-inch needle nose pliers are perfect for tight spaces and precision work like bending wire or gripping small parts, ideal for electrical or craft projects. The 6-inch slip joint pliers feature an adjustable pivot, making them great for gripping, turning, or holding objects of different sizes. Perfect for general repairs, the 8-inch groove joint pliers offer a wider jaw opening and strong leverage, making them ideal for plumbing, tasks, and gripping larger pipes or fitting. All 3 tools are made from durable carbon steel with non-slip handles for comfort and control. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye now.